where you ever wanted to change your host name of your server from a predefined username to your defined username. For instance, like this one where you see SCOT UG, and this is what we are gonna do in this video. So I'm going to take you a few steps so that you choose which one you prefer, which makes you feel which one is easier for you. So welcome to SCOT UG. My name is Scott, and I'm going to take you through how you can change your host name of your server. So this is what we're gonna do here, and as well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing to take. Is very simple. Okay, what you need to do, what you're going to do here is to edit the path or to the host file, to the host name or the path where the host name is kept, and we are going to go there by choosing sudo. We are typing sudo because this command or this what you're gonna do needs to have requires root privileges. So this is what you're gonna do. So we type sudo, and then I'm going to use the nano editor because the nano editor is my preferred editor when it comes to Linux. So I'm going to use nano, and after that I type the file or the path I'm going to take, and I'll go to the path which I need to take, which is, then I type the folder I want, which is, so I should mark this because this is Linux, it is command line, it has commands to follow. A mess in one letter can change the meaning of the host stuff. So the thing is host name, not host name. Hope that is clear. Host name, it is host name. Okay, now you click enter. So now you can see that this is where the host name is kept. Okay, the host name is kept. Now what you need to do is to delete this, delete that, and put your preferred host name. For instance, because I want you to subscribe to this channel because you're able to get more and more. So I'll put the host name called subscribe. Okay, subscribe to this channel, whatever. But I think we leave that. So after that, you exit this by pressing Ctrl X on your keyboard. So this is what I'm gonna do here. You press Ctrl X, and then this will ask you here whether you want to save. If you look at the bottom line of this video, if you click, then you enter Y to save, and then you press enter on your keyboard, enter. So that one is saved. Now what we need to do is to also edit the hosts. Now where we need to edit the hosts, we use the same command sudo, and then remember I told you a change in the case or in the word changes the meaning. Then we go to nano, we use nano editor, and then we go to that path. Okay, we edit the hosts also, so we click enter. Okay, now when you look at this, don't mind because it looks some kind of bold, but don't mind about that. Okay, now all you need to do is slope here, and you focus here where you see the previous host name. Okay, and when you look at this, there are two, and there is a space in between the two. So I won't explain more about that. All I need to show you is what to do here. Okay, now all you need to do is to delete this. Okay, I've deleted one, but don't mind about that. We can put that, so it is .1, and then you enter space. That is an IP which you should not play with, and then I can enter the host name which we entered the other side. It's subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, should be similar. Space, again you enter it, subscribe. Is it the same? Subscribe. No, it is subscribe. Okay, I hope that is the thing. Now when we use the same procedure by pressing Ctrl X and then you enter Y, then you press enter to save. Okay, now what you need to do now, let's check and see if we have changed the root name. What you need to the host name, what you need to do here is to reboot the server. So let's say to go. Well, hope you're seeing that the host name has been changed from SCOT-UG to subscribe. Hope you see it there, and that's what we wanted to be. So that is our step 1. And what if we want to change the host name and we don't need to reboot our server? We just want something to work out there and then without rebooting the server. And well, our last option which I'm gonna take, and actually this is the easiest option because that's why I wanted to make it last. It is simple by using the host control protocol. Because if I need to check my host name, simple, there are 2 ways how I can change it. How I can see it by typing host name. Okay, it is here, but as well I may want to see the host name and its details. Now I will need to just type host name control, and the server will prevail me and show me each and everything. Now where will you see static host name is your host name. Now how do we use this to change our host name? Okay, now what you need to do is to use sudo, and then we go to that we use that protocol, hostname, and then we click space, and then we use that set hostname, use set hostname, and then we specify our preferred hostname. So let me change. Okay, let's put it back to the hostname which was there. It was SCOT-UG. Okay, and then you enter. Don't forget, the thing is very simple here. Okay, you just type sudo hostname control. Okay, and then you set hostname, okay, space, and then you set your preferred hostname. Okay, and then you click enter, and then all you need to do is to exit the server. You exit the server, you log in again. So those are the few steps which you can use